Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Night mode lets your camera capture clean photos in low light by using longer exposures. It reduces noise by combining multiple frames and lowering ISO values during capture. You will learn when to use tripod support and a short timer to prevent blur. Night mode also favors wider apertures, such as f/1.8 for more light. Expect exposure times typically between 5 and 30 seconds, depending on scene brightness and motion. Start by mounting the camera on a stable tripod to remove handshake during long exposures. Set the timer to 2 seconds or 10 seconds to eliminate movement from your touch. Choose night mode or manual settings and aim for ISO 800 to 3200 depending on noise tolerance. Use a wide aperture around f/1.8 to gather more light per exposure. Enable RAW capture to preserve detail, and when ready, trigger the shutter using a remote release or the 2-second timer to steady the camera. Avoid moving subjects during the exposure to prevent blur and ghosting artifacts in final images. Review the preview and adjust exposure time or ISO as needed. Try exposures from 5 to 30 seconds for different results. In post-processing, apply noise reduction, then refine highlights, shadows, contrast, and white balance for a natural night look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.